Algae Control works seamlessly with most of your pool treatment products, efficiently operating in both acidic and alkaline pH settings. It is the least concentrated algicide in the Water Trends Algae Treatment series, containing 10% of the active ingredient. For a newly cleaned and filled pool, use up to 18 fluid ounces of Algae Control per 2,000 gallons of water. Apply Algae Control near the return with the filtration system on so that it can circulate evenly throughout your pool. For weekly maintenance, we recommend using up to 16 ounces per 2,000 gallons. Allow the water to circulate for at least 8 hours. For the most effective results, circulate the water for 12 hours. We recommend waiting at least 1 hour after applying Algae Control before entering the pool. Please keep in mind that everyone's sensitivity is different. If you have any questions about treating and preventing algae, contact your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.